Imagine a world where machines understand us like never before, writing poetry, diagnosing diseases, and designing futuristic cities. To understand GPT-5, we must first journey back to its predecessors, tracing the evolutionary path of the GPT series. Now, the world waits with bated breath for GPT-5, rumored to possess capabilities that dwarf even its impressive predecessors. GPT-5 is expected to shatter limitations by embracing a multimodal approach, processing and generating information across text, images, audio, and potentially video. Imagine showing GPT-5 a photograph and asking it to compose a story, or humming a melody and having it transcribe into sheet music. This multimodal capability will transform interactions with machines, opening doors to new forms of creative expression and practical applications in healthcare and education. One of the most remarkable advancements in GPT-5 is its significantly enhanced memory capacity. Imagine having a conversation with GPT-5, referencing a detail mentioned days earlier, and it effortlessly recalls that information. This expanded memory will enable more meaningful interactions, providing personalized support in customer service and education. GPT-5 is expected to make significant strides in reasoning, demonstrating a sophisticated understanding of logic, causality, and common sense. Imagine presenting GPT-5 with a complex ethical dilemma or scientific problem, and it analyzes the situation from multiple perspectives, arriving at well-reasoned conclusions. This enhanced reasoning ability will revolutionize fields requiring high-level cognitive abilities such as scientific research and law. GPT-5's potential for increased autonomy is intriguing, capable of setting its own goals and adapting its behavior based on feedback. Imagine tasking GPT-5 with managing a complex project, and it takes the initiative, gathering information, making decisions, and delegating tasks. This level of autonomy raises important ethical considerations, ensuring AI goals align with human values and operate within ethical boundaries. GPT-5 is poised to reshape traditional workflows, automate tasks, and empower employees to focus on higher-level thinking and creative problem-solving. In customer service, GPT-5's advanced language processing and reasoning capabilities will provide personalized and efficient support, enhancing customer satisfaction. The integration of GPT-5 into the workplace raises questions about the future of work and the potential displacement of jobs, requiring investment in retraining programs. GPT-5 promises to revolutionize education, providing personalized tutoring, instant feedback, and engaging learning experiences. For students, GPT-5 can serve as a tireless study companion, offering explanations and personalized feedback on assignments. For educators, GPT-5 can automate administrative tasks, personalize lesson plans, and provide insights into student performance, enhancing the learning experience. GPT-5 is poised to revolutionize healthcare, diagnosing illnesses with unprecedented accuracy and developing personalized treatment plans. Imagine patients describing symptoms to GPT-5, which then provides a comprehensive diagnosis and suggests potential treatment options. The integration of GPT-5 in healthcare raises ethical considerations, ensuring the secure and ethical use of patient data and addressing potential biases in AI algorithms. GPT-5 is poised to seamlessly integrate into our everyday lives, enhancing experiences, simplifying tasks, and expanding creative potential. Imagine waking up to a personalized newsfeed curated by GPT-5, or cooking dinner with its step-by-step instructions. As GPT-5 becomes increasingly integrated into daily life, it's essential to balance leveraging AI benefits with preserving autonomy, critical thinking skills, and social connections. Section 1. The GPT-5 Ripple Effect. You don't need to code to be impacted. You might be thinking, this GPT-5 sounds impressive, but I'm not a programmer or a doctor. How will it affect me personally? The truth is, even if you never directly interact with GPT-5, its impact will be felt in every corner of your life. Think of it like the internet. You don't need to understand how websites are built to benefit from online shopping, connecting with loved ones, or accessing information. Similarly, GPT-5's influence will extend far beyond the tech sphere, subtly shaping our world in profound ways. Section 2. The Transformation of Truth. Navigating the age of AI-generated content. As GPT-5 and similar AI models become more sophisticated in their ability to generate human-quality text, images, and even videos, we enter a new era where discerning truth from fabrication becomes increasingly challenging. Imagine a world where news articles, scientific papers, or even works of art can be generated with a few keystrokes, blurring the lines between reality and AI-crafted narratives. This new reality demands a critical eye and a healthy dose of skepticism. We can no longer blindly trust information presented to us, especially online. Developing media literacy skills will be crucial, teaching ourselves and future generations how to evaluate sources, identify biases, and verify information before accepting it as truth. The responsibility doesn't lie solely with the consumer. Tech companies developing these powerful AI models have a moral obligation to implement safeguards against misuse. This includes watermarking AI-generated content, promoting transparency about how these models are trained, and educating the public about the potential for misuse. Furthermore, fostering a collaborative approach between policymakers, tech companies, educators, and the public will be essential in navigating this uncharted territory. Open discussions about the ethical implications of AI-generated content, the development of responsible use guidelines, and the implementation of regulations to prevent malicious use will be crucial in mitigating the risks while harnessing the benefits of this transformative technology. Section 3. The skills of the future. Thriving in a GPT-5 world. The rise of GPT-5 and AI capabilities should be met with proactive adaptation. New opportunities will emerge requiring lifelong learning and skills that complement AI. Creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving will be highly sought after. Human ingenuity will drive innovation and shape the future. Developing uniquely human skills is essential for adapting to the changing job market. Lifelong learning and a growth mindset will keep us ahead of the curve. Section 1. The Misinformation Maze. Navigating a world of AI-generated deception. As GPT-5 strides onto the world stage, it brings with it a shadow, the potential for unprecedented levels of misinformation. Imagine a world where AI can craft fake news articles, social media posts, or even deepfake videos so convincing that they could easily fool even the most discerning eye. This isn't science fiction, it's a very real possibility that we must confront head-on. The accessibility of GPT-5 and similar AI tools means that creating and spreading misinformation will be easier than ever before. A single individual with malicious intent could potentially influence public opinion, sow discord, or even manipulate elections with a few keystrokes. Combating this tidal wave of AI-generated deception requires a multi-pronged approach. Educating ourselves and future generations about media literacy will be paramount. Learning to critically evaluate sources, identify biases, and cross-reference information will be essential skills in the age of AI. Tech companies developing these powerful AI models also bear a heavy responsibility. Implementing safeguards such as watermarking AI-generated content, promoting transparency about how these models are trained, and collaborating with fact-checking organizations can help mitigate the spread of misinformation. We, the users of these platforms, must also be vigilant, questioning the information we encounter online, verifying sources, and engaging in respectful dialogue rather than blindly sharing questionable content can help stem the tide of misinformation. Section 2. The job market shift, automation anxiety, and the need for adaptability. The integration of GPT-5 into the workplace will undoubtedly lead to increased automation, raising concerns about job displacement and the future of work. While it's natural to feel anxious about these changes, history has shown that technological advancements often create new opportunities while rendering others obsolete. The key lies in adapting our skills and embracing lifelong learning. It's crucial to remember that GPT-5 is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used to augment human capabilities rather than replace them entirely. Jobs that involve routine, repetitive tasks are most susceptible to automation, while those requiring creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and complex problem-solving will remain in high demand. The challenge lies in preparing ourselves and future generations for this evolving job market. Investing in education and training programs that foster creativity, critical thinking, and digital literacy will be essential. Encouraging entrepreneurship and innovation will also create new opportunities in a GPT-5-powered economy. Governments and policymakers have a crucial role to play in supporting workers through this transition. Investing in retraining programs, providing social safety nets, and exploring new economic models that account for the changing nature of work will be essential for ensuring a smooth transition and creating a more equitable future. Section 3. Bias in the machine: confronting and correcting AI's inherited prejudices. AI models like GPT-5 are trained on massive datasets of text and code, which inevitably reflect the biases present in the real world. These biases can manifest in various ways, from generating biased content to perpetuating stereotypes and discrimination. Addressing this issue is crucial for ensuring that AI benefits all of humanity, not just a select few. One approach to mitigating bias in AI is to carefully curate and diversify the datasets used for training. This involves actively seeking out and including data from underrepresented groups and ensuring that the data reflects a wide range of perspectives and experiences. Another crucial step is to develop algorithms that can detect and mitigate bias during the training process. This involves building in mechanisms that identify and flag potentially biased outputs, allowing developers to refine the model and minimize the risk of perpetuating harmful stereotypes. Transparency and accountability are also essential. Tech companies developing AI models must be transparent about the data they use, the algorithms they develop, and the steps they are taking to address bias. Independent audits and ethical reviews can also help ensure that AI systems are developed and deployed responsibly. Section 4. The price of convenience: data privacy in the age of intelligent systems. The rise of GPT-5 and the increasing integration of AI into our lives raise important questions about data privacy. These intelligent systems thrive on data, learning from our online activity, our preferences, and even our conversations. While this data can be used to personalize our experiences and provide valuable services, it also creates opportunities for misuse and manipulation. As AI systems become more sophisticated in their ability to analyze and interpret our data, the potential for privacy violations increases. Imagine a world where companies or governments could use AI to track our every move, predict our behavior, or even manipulate our thoughts and emotions. Safeguarding our data privacy is essential for preserving our autonomy and freedom in an increasingly AI-driven world. One crucial step is to advocate for strong data privacy regulations that give individuals control over their data. This includes the right to access, correct, or delete personal data, as well as the right to opt out of data collection and targeted advertising. Transparency is also key. Tech companies should be upfront about the data they collect, how they use it, and with whom they share it. Clear and concise privacy policies, written in plain language, can empower users to make informed decisions about their data. Ultimately, the responsibility for protecting our data privacy lies not only with tech companies and policymakers, but also with ourselves. Being mindful of the information we share online, adjusting our privacy settings, and supporting organizations that advocate for data privacy can help us navigate the digital landscape safely and responsibly. Beyond GPT-5, the unfolding future of artificial intelligence. GPT-5 is just a glimpse into AI's potential. The future holds transformative advancements, pushing the boundaries of intelligence. Artificial general intelligence aims to create machines capable of performing any intellectual task a human can. Quantum computing could revolutionize AI, processing vast data at unimaginable speeds. This could lead to breakthroughs in drug discovery, material science, and financial modeling. AI-powered nanobots and robots could revolutionize medicine and exploration. The future of AI is a symphony of interconnected advancements reshaping our world. The ethical imperative: navigating the moral landscape of advanced AI. As we venture into advanced AI, we must tread carefully, guided by ethical responsibility. AI's power to reshape our world is undeniable, but it must benefit humanity. AI could exacerbate existing inequalities if not distributed equitably. Ensuring AI benefits all is paramount. AI's potential for misuse is a crucial concern. Establishing ethical guidelines and regulations is essential. We must grapple with questions about intelligence and consciousness. Preparing for tomorrow? Embracing the promise and navigating the perils. The future with GPT-5 and advanced AI is both exhilarating and daunting. It's a future brimming with possibilities, promising solutions to humanity's challenges. but also fraught with potential pitfalls. The key lies in a proactive and adaptive mindset. Education will be paramount. Equipping future generations with skills and knowledge is essential. Promoting digital literacy and understanding AI ethics is crucial. Collaboration will be equally crucial. Addressing AI challenges requires collective effort. Bringing together experts from various fields is essential. Fostering open dialogue and sharing knowledge is key. Adaptability will be the watchword of the future. Embracing lifelong learning and adapting to new ways of working is essential. The future with AI is shaped by our choices and actions. By embracing a proactive, collaborative, and ethical approach, we can harness AI to create a future that benefits all of humanity. A future where technology empowers us to reach our full potential. GPT-5 and beyond, a future forged together. As we stand on the precipice of the GPT-5 era, one truth resounds. The future of artificial intelligence is not something that happens to us. It's a future we actively shape. It's a future where human ingenuity and technological innovation intertwine, where the boundaries of possibility are redrawn with each passing day. GPT-5, with its anticipated capabilities, offers a glimpse into this extraordinary future, a future where machines can understand, learn, and create in ways that were once the exclusive domain of the human mind. But this future is not without its challenges. The ethical dilemmas posed by advanced AI demand careful consideration and proactive solutions. As we navigate this uncharted territory, we must prioritize human values, ensuring that AI is used to empower, not overpower, to connect, not isolate, to enlighten, not deceive. The journey ahead requires open dialogue, collaboration across disciplines, and a steadfast commitment to shaping a future where AI benefits all of humanity. The story of GPT-5 is still being written, and we're all active participants in this unfolding narrative. By embracing curiosity, fostering critical thinking, and engaging in thoughtful discourse about the role of AI in our lives, we can help steer this technological revolution toward a future that reflects our shared values. A future where human potential and technological progress advance hand in hand, illuminating a path toward a brighter tomorrow.